Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to solve another question from Leetcode 75 challenge, leaf similar trees. This question is from binary tree, definitely. Okay, and I'm assuming that you know at least basics of binary tree, like how to traverse and all. Okay, at least traversing through a tree. So the question is basically, consider all the leaves of a binary tree from left to right order. The values of those leaves from a leaf value sequence. For example, in the given tree above, the leaf value sequence is 67498. Correct? Two binary trees are considered leaf similar if their leaf value sequence is the same. Okay, return true if they match and return false if they doesn't. This is the example. Okay, let's go to Excalibur. And let me grab my pen. Yeah, here. So these are two binary tree that is given already. Okay, here. So leaves are 67498, 67498. They matched, perfectly matched. Okay, the chronological order is matched, and they all are leaf nodes. So they are leaf similar trees, and I can return true. I can return true, definitely. But how we are going to check and how we are going to achieve this answer? Okay, so pretty basic. First of all, we are going to traverse through this tree, here, here, 6, and we are going to check. Let me just take the thin one. Yeah, if this is null, that means 6 left is null and 6 right is null. What does it mean? This means that this is a leaf node of any given binary tree. Fine, this is a leaf node. So 6 is a leaf node, definitely. And now what we are going to do, we are going to track arrays. We are going to track two arrays. Okay, and collecting all the leaf nodes to the arrays. Let's just see, this is R1 and this is R2. So R1 6, again coming from here, going here, going here, 7 4 9 8, 6 7 4 9 8, and again we are going to traverse through R2 tree and note the and keep noting the leaf nodes. Sorry, 6 7 4 9 6 7, okay, right, 6 7 4 9 8. And after that, what we are going to do, we are going to check the nodes. We are going to check the nodes through a for loop. Okay, this is how we are going to do it. Let me just clarify a little bit more. So function, and what are the things we are going to have? The root and a variable. Sorry, not a variable but a vector. Okay, and then we are going to simply check if the root is null, return. And again, if root left is equal to null, and same thing with the right, then what we should do, we should do the vector pushback roots value and then return. So this, and two calls, left and right calls, and then return. So by doing this, we will be pushing all the leaf nodes to each and separate vectors, and in the given function we can simply check two arrays. So that's how it is. Let's just go to the Leetcode. Fine. So let me just, yeah, void check nodes. What are the things will be there? Tree, node, root, vector, integer, and yeah, make sure that this is via reference. If root is equal to null, return. If root left, sorry, is null and root right is null, v dot push back root value and simply return. After that, we need to make calls. Root left, comma v, and then again root right v. And this is how we will have vectors fulfilled with leaf nodes. Vector integer v1, vector integer v2, and now calls. Check nodes root 1 v1, check nodes, pretty simple, right? I hope you are getting it, everything. Root 2 v2. I have ready with me the vectors and all, and first thing where we can decide if the size does not match, definitely it's a false. So I can simply write root 1 dot size is not equal to root 2 dot size, return simply false. And just in case their size matched, now I have to check each and every nodes. How? Simple, with a follow. For integer I is equal to 0, I less than as size the same, so I can take anything, root 1 size, and then I increment. If v1i is not equal to v2i, again return false. And if the loop does not return anything, that means the size are same and each and every nodes are same. So we can simply return true. I think this should absolutely work. I'm writing it. And a compiler. Fine. Not root 2 size, but v1. Okay, again a compiler. Again I have done here the same thing. v1, v2. I think now everything should work. What to say? Nothing. Run. Now I think it should work definitely. Accepted. And let me just submit it. Got accepted, beats 100%, but that is not something which will give every time the same. The beats percentages vary by the system, and if I analyze, the complexity will be big of n. Yeah, it's quite efficient method. Okay, if you have any other method to solve this question, you can definitely comment and let me know, let others know. And if you have any specific question that you are having trouble to solve, you can comment down below and I will be releasing the video on that question. And yeah, keep coding. Thank you. Goodbye.